How to render clip on Premiere Pro. It's pretty simple. At the top, just go on export, and under export, first select your file name. So I want to name this video Kevin, and choose where you want the video after, it to be saved after render. I want it to be saved on desktop, so I will choose that and click on save. Then over here on preset, just set it to whatever I have just set. Now you can play around with these settings under over here. But if you are not experienced in Premiere Pro, I will suggest you not to play around with it. But if you are experienced, you can play around with all the settings. But for people who are new, just make sure to choose location, choose a name, and just make sure to keep this exactly what I just kept. Then just click on export and our video will start to render just like this. After the rendering is complete, I'm just going to cancel it. But let's say in your case, you let it render. It's going to be saved on the place where you made it to. So as you guys can see, Kevin is saved over here since I want it to be saved on desktop. I'm just going to remove it since I don't need it. But yeah, that's how we guys can render on Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.